Hey, how's it? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. We're gonna get off of the 89 today. Well, check this out. Oddly enough, we've got an 89 CRX here, a 90 CRX here, and we've got a 91 over here. But this is a 91 Tahitian green pearl. It is another timing belt job. This is one of 3,001 cars ever produced in this color, at least in the United States. So we just got another timing belt to do on that, so we're gonna get to it, man. I'm gonna set this under the motor here because we're gonna take the mount out. But it looks like it's a little low. Might have taken a shot right there in the oil pan. This will do. Yeah. Still got a little bit of an idea here, and this might work. He's what did it, man. Don't touch that. While I'm up under here taking this stuff out, I just want to point out the suspension. I just like it. Some aluminas with some old school ground controls. It's got an energy suspension bushings up here in the top and everything, and a skunk tooth camera kit to keep it all straight. I just feel like the suspension just rides really well, and it's definitely withstood the test of time. look at this old timing belt. I just want to show you guys really, look at how slack this is right here. And then this side, oh boy, lots of play. So that's not too good, and the belt looks pretty old and dusty, and so does the water pump. So we're gonna get all that stuff out of there and get the new stuff in. That's everything out, water pump out, the tensioner's out, halfway. So now we just have to put it back together. All right, let's take a look, see what we've got for valve cover gasket kit. Got the valve cover gasket. These are the spark plug gaskets. And then we got hanging belt kit for gates, water pump, gasket, spring this time, tensioner, and some coolant. All right, after that little struggle getting it on, let's take a look. If you look under here, we can see the mark is right there. It's very difficult to see on the camera, I know, guys. But anyway, it is right there, and it is lined up with the line on the oil pump like the single cam does. So that's good, we know we're in time there. And then over here, we've got the two marks on either side. This one pointing towards the little timing mark on the cover there, and the up is in the up position, like we talked about a few times already. Now I'm just gonna grab that coat hanger and do that little trick. Got my trusty coat hanger, here we go. So I got my hook hooked in the bottom there. Give it a little yank to take the tension off that spring. Let's keep the belt nice and tight. That's everything wrapped up, so I'm just gonna jump in and see if we can get her to start up. There she is, just gotta let that coolant bleed out for a little while again. And looks like we got the timing all set and everything correct. No leaks underneath. Nice and dry. Thanks, my man Shane. For CRXs, this one's in really great shape. It does have an aftermarket paint job, but it is an original Tahitian green pearl. You can see it in the door jambs, even on the color codes in here. It's got a really nice interior. What do we have on this one? 206,000 miles. It's in really great shape. Even has all the back panels and all that. And with the value of these things today, man, there's no telling what this thing would really sell for, but I can guarantee you there's no way Buddha's letting this one go. Got Buddha all set and he's here to pick up the car.
What's up, homie?
And thanks so much today, Shane, for helping us out with that one.
All right, bro.
You guys stay mad.
Do you want to go outside?